Welcome back. In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to turn on developer options on your Android phone. Now for this tutorial, I'll be using a Samsung Galaxy running Android 14, but it's more or less the same instructions for other Android phones as well. So what you want to do is go into settings on your Android phone, and inside settings, you want to go down to about phone. And what you're looking for is the build number of your Android phone software. So it's either right here on this page, or sometimes it's under software information. Like for instance, in this Samsung phone, you have to go to software information to find the build number. And that's what you're looking for. So what you want to do is tap on build number 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It missed a tap, and it's going to ask for your pattern, PIN, or password. Once you provide the correct pattern, PIN, or password, it says developer mode has been turned on. And now you can actually go back one step to the main settings page, and now you should be able to see a new option called developer options on somewhere on your phone. And now you can use that and get inside developer options, and you have all these developer options you can play around with. And that is basically how to turn on or how to enable developer options on your Android phone. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.